It's Love Michelle Castillo. Today we're opening this, a play-doh. I just took the wrapper off. I'm in the bathroom because my mom was chatting with her cell phone. And she was talking a lot. Okay? So let's open it. Oh yeah, I said I'm eating in the bathroom. This sounds disgusting. That's really shocking. I'm really weird. So we got 4 of these. So they're like you put the Play-Doh inside here, and then you let it steep and just squish it like that. Then when you need it, I think just tap over here or just do it with your finger like that. Let's see. I have a strawberry that is a green color. I have a pear that is a yellow color. I have a banana that is orange. And I have, it looks like an apple or plum that is red. It's like a violet red. Then I have 2 extra cups. 2 Play-Dohs. It's red and orange. And I have like a little, you put Play-Doh on it and you zip. Okay, that was wrong. Then you zip it and just do it. And all comes up. And then it says the Sunday treats. Really cute decoration with a little thing. And if you want to buy it, it's Toys R Us and Family Dollar. It's like a Family Dollar. Let's open the Play-Doh orange. I'm gonna tell you how it goes. Let's do this. I'm just putting some random pieces. And just get out like that. See these? It's so cute. You just press the bottom where it can get like this. So I just got it out. Now I have to get this Play-Doh out. It's a really hard tool to get it out. But I don't like this tool, so I'm not gonna use it. I need a pencil. I need a pencil. So it should look like this. So I'm gonna put it away for show you. Then I have red. Open this red. Then I'm gonna play with this form. I'm gonna play with the strawberry. I don't have green because I'm in the bathroom and I forgot to put green to put. So I'm just gonna put it red there. It's the same. Just say that. Who cares about this? Squish it in and just peel it off. I peel it off from the bottom. Then done. What you're gonna do is just take the random pieces that are stuck to them. And here's your strawberry. It's a really cute strawberry. You can't see it. It's really cute. So I'm just gonna put it in the side. And I'm just gonna put the Play-Doh back in here. And sometimes you can get the Play-Doh on the little thingy to make the strawberry. Then have some orange. What are the 2? To put in a cup. So it's really cute to put on a cup. If you want to, you can put some frosting like that. Put strawberry in there, and it looks cute. So I'm just starting like this question thingy from the video. So I'm gonna ask you a question. What was the color? Wait, the 2 colors Play-Doh that came in this set. What color of Play-Doh came in this set? In the Sunday set. Okay? So you know the question. Please comment down below. If you're seeing this, please comment or subscribe or give a thumbs up. But nobody's seeing this. Please, if you don't like it, just be yourself and put a thumbs down. It's fine. But I want more subscribers. Nobody's watching this. It looks so horrible. Bye. And answer my question.